Hey guys, we're Evan and Katelyn, and today we're going to be taking apart our old CNC table and rebuilding it better. I don't know what else to say after that. It's gonna be better.
And thank you, National Hardware, for sponsoring this video. This is our old one. We built this in 2 hours the night before the X-Carve arrived, so it's a little...
Oh my gosh.
It's a little shaky.
The first thing we need to do is take everything off and then disassemble the old table. We have some work ahead of us. So you get that side. Now you, lift straight up. Whew.
Here's what we're gonna change. We're gonna add another shelf under our computer shelf here, more shelves down on the bottom, pegboards on either side, and we're gonna reinforce the whole thing.
Gentlemen, we can rebuild him.
We have the technology. I mean hardware.
We're gonna go ahead and leave these intact. It's a nice solid base for the next version of the table. I am gonna add some reinforcing. Basically it's just 4x4 lumber in a 4 by 4 foot square with 2 by 4 foot paneling because that's all we can fit in our car. Added hardware to this guy, none to here yet.
And how solid would you rank this one?
The lowest passing grade, probably like a D. This one, I'm hoping it's an A. Okay, so pretty wobbly, quite wobbly. Ooh.
Let's test this one.
Yeah, that's so much better. Should we test how strong it is? Yes, let's sit on it. Nice.
Hey.
Pretty comfortable.
I would not have done this on the old table.
No. Using braces to assemble this whole thing not only let us do this in a few hours, it also let us do the entire thing using just a saw and a drill.
Plus, if we change our minds again in the future and want to rearrange this, we can repurpose the wood and the hardware, and we don't have to go buy all new stuff. National Hardware makes pretty much everything you would need for home projects or shop projects, so definitely keep an eye out for their products in your local hardware store.
Now we could go ahead and put the X-Carve back on this table. It's solid, it's nice, but we're gonna make it a little bit fancier with some shelves, some storage, and some pegboard. So let's see if our clever idea works.
The clever idea is we're essentially gonna weave this pegboard around the leg. I think it's gonna bow. Evan thinks it's gonna be flat.
So it's hitting right there.
Oh.
We'll be right back. Take 2.
Take 3.
Hold this.
Take 4.
Ooh, it's happening. Yes!
Good with you.
We made it work. For a very important test, the shake test. Oh my gosh, man, the whole thing used to wobble and like, now the whole thing moves as one.
We are really proud of how this table turned out. So we want to name it, but we don't really know what to yet. So if you guys have any ideas, let us know in the comments.
And we're gonna go ahead and carve a name placeholder. One, because I think it's fun, and two, it'll also let us like test how sturdy this card is with X-Carve running on top of it.
And then we'll carve the real name later with whichever of y'all's ideas we like best. Thank you so much for watching and hope you enjoyed our big shop build.
And if you want to support our channel and the videos that we make, you can head over to Shop Evan and Katelyn for sweet t-shirts like this, or you can head over to patreon.com/EvanCaitlin where we have exclusive content like our after show.
Where we talk about stuff like the thing that is different about this video that we've never done in any other video before. I wonder if people can tell. You can find out in the after show.
All right, bye.
Bye.
Today we're going to be
Ooh, sorry. I didn't know we were rotating it. Say mucho, mucho más.
Mucho más.